This is me as a baby PhD student here at Berkeley, and my advisor, Steve Mahan. And I'm very lucky that my experiment often ends up on a lot of the posters and etc. of PEER, mostly because Steve was director of PEER at the time, right? So anyways, I sort of wanted to follow on Janice's talk and discuss about how the impact that this table has on the students that have used it. So, I mean, Janice asked about, since the 2000s, what about people who did research here, you know, way before that as a growing researcher? I know we have a lot here, right? And it really made our careers, right? My first ever journal publication was based on this test that I did here at the Richmond Field Station on the shake table. So there we did the first ever bidirectional tests on triple friction pendulum bearings. After we did this, we took off these red restrainings, we took off the two top blocks, and my colleague Vladimir Kaluguru, he put on a tank, and you see that picture all over the place with the isolated tank and looking at the sloshing modes and that behavior. And this was such an informative. You have that going?
No, can you talk?
I'm so sorry. And that was sorry. And that was such an informative and exciting time for me. Learning, as Janice said, from my peers, learning from the laboratory technicians, learning, of course, from my advisor, and not just getting to put these theories or think about these theories on paper, but actually seeing them happen, exploring what they do. Isolation, so we did 90 tests on this same experiment, but it was just so invaluable, and we still have students here today who are doing experiments on the shake table, and it's just an ongoing contribution, not only to earthquake engineering, but also to education and that mission. So I think that's important to remember. Thanks.